Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is November the 16th, and I wanted to show you my Egyptian spinach seed pods. Okay, we've had some frost already. See my poor figs? They're not happy about the frost. But the Brussels sprouts and broccoli and kale and radishes are happy as anything. Let's see. But back to the Egyptian spinach. Here, I only had 2 plants that made it this year. I got them started late, and I think I had chipmunks or squirrels or something eating them. So I only had 2 plants, and they didn't even get very big this year for some reason. But here's the seed pods. The leaves, of course, already gone. And we've had a bunch of rain too, so these are totally soaked. But they will dry out, and then the pods will open up, and the seeds should be in there. Hopefully they'll be nice green seeds, so they'll be nice and viable. My other plant is up here. It's not much bigger, but there's the seed pods here. This seed pod does feel a little bit drier, but what happens is when they get a little drier, they start popping open and the seeds come out. See all the seeds in there? And those seeds are green. Let me see if I can focus it. Probably too close. Put it in the light. There we go. Nice green seeds. So those are viable seeds. We'll put them on some paper, let them dry out a little bit more, and they'll be good to go for next year. Alright, so I'll go ahead and carry those into the house and like I said, dry them out a little more and then put them in a plastic bag. But they're definitely nice green viable seeds. And it looks like the pods are about ready to start popping open too. Once they dry out from this rain, they probably will. So I'll go ahead and harvest the rest. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon.